Well, my name's Gillian Barlow and I'm a botanical artist and also a herald artist at the College of Arms. The Royal Signatures are they were started I think in 1816. All these signatories are the patrons of the RHS, but all the paintings were decorated with rather beautiful borders of different kinds by the artist of the day. Paintings are all on vellum, and so you're using watercolours for the flowers, but for the heraldry we use gold, shell gold, which is gold leaf crushed and mixed with gum arabic, and to make it shell gold you can paint it with a brush, but it is 23.5 carat gold, so it's the real thing. The original paintings are all in the RHS Lindley Library. I haven't signed any of the other 3 I've done, but I have signed this last one because it was a sort of, beginning of a new reign or a new patron, and I thought, well, I think I'll sign this one.